Individually, Mike and Rebecca are extraordinary people. But together as a couple, there's nobody like them in the state of Indiana.
Mike and Rebecca really had a partnership as it relates to Mike's role as chairman, president, and CEO of Lake City Bank when I joined the organization. Rebecca played an incredibly important role in helping develop, expand, and grow the bank in the footprint of northern Indiana.
Mike was a brilliant banker and had a whole range of a variety of leadership responsibilities of a civic nature, of a professional nature, and a great Hoosier. Rebecca, equally amazing, an incredibly compassionate, caring, thoughtful person for everyone in general, but especially the underdog.
Rebecca, she's got a golden heart, one of a kind. I've never met anyone who is so giving. She wants the best opportunity for everyone, especially our Spanish speakers. I think she's been excellent in making sure that there's a seat at a table for people that look like us. She was a farm worker. She worked out in the fields, she did the hard work, and then turned it around through education.
At their core, Mike and Rebecca both have an incredible commitment and dedication to a mission, whatever that mission may be. After nearly 50 years of marriage, they are still deeply in love with each other, and you see that each and every time you're with them.
Both of you, Rebecca and Michael, are very deserving of this award, the Franciscan Value Award. You both have walked in that walk and responded to every call that you've had.
Mike and Rebecca, it's been an amazing ride with you for the last 40 years. Your friendship, your partnership, your mentorship, and your guidance has meant so much to me.
It would be impossible to find people that would deserve it more, that will reflect the values of the Franciscan order more than the two of you. And you do it for all the right reasons. So congratulations to the two of you, and congratulations to Marian University, both for selecting you and for the remarkable success of this incredible institution.
We are so honored to receive this year's Franciscan Values Award. Growing up as a migrant worker, we had so many people that extended a helping hand when we needed it the most. That had such an impact in my life that I have devoted myself to living those Franciscan values and sharing them in my community. Knowing that the Marian students have embraced the Franciscan values and will take those values in their communities gives me great hope for the future.
Rebecca and I would just like to thank Dan Elsner and the family here at Marian for honoring us with this award. You know, Indianapolis is a better place because of Marian University, and we're very proud to support it.